In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a camera timer on your iPhone Pro. So if you want to go and set a timer where it counts down the time to go and take a photo on your iPhone, then the first thing we're going to do is just open up the camera application. And in the bottom navigation, you can either set this to photo or portrait. I'm just going to keep mine set to photo. And then using your finger, you're just going to scroll up on the screen here. And that's going to pop up with these navigation items at the bottom. So what you can do is just scroll across this list until you see this timer icon, the second one from the end. So go and click on this timer icon, and we're going to have a few options of what we can set this timer to. So you can set this to either 3, 5, or 10 seconds, which is going to be the countdown before it takes the photo on your phone. So I'm just going to set mine to 3 seconds like this. Go and click on the take photo button, and as you can see, this is going to start counting down from 3, and after 3 seconds, it's going to take that photo. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.